Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to briefly explain how to add or file a W-2 form on your TurboTax account. It's quite simple. Once you have logged into your TurboTax account, you are going to be here on this page right here, which is pretty much your dashboard. It is under tax home, right? So there you go. If you want to make a W-2 form, all you want to do is go click on search here on the upper right corner like so. Click on the search bar and type in W-2. You know, whatever for W-2 you want. Maybe it's W-2CG or whatever. For this example, we're going to do W-2, just the plain W-2. There you go. Click on jump to form W-2. There we go. And then here, just click on work on my W-2, because if you skip, well, you won't be able to do so. If you don't have a W-2 yet, you can do this too, but we're just going to click continue here. And then here, you just need to enter your employer ID number or EIN or your federal ID on your W-2, right? And then you'll be good to go. So how do I find my employer identification number? This is pretty much what a lot of people are asking. The good thing about TurboTax is it's going to tell you, right? So an employer identification number, EIN, is a 9-digit number. Look at it in box B on your W-2. So that's where you're going to find that. What if I don't have my W-2? So employers are required to send your W-2 by the end of January. If you haven't received it yet or misplaced it, you need to skip the section and contact your employer. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.